Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy data science projects with Tableau easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin deploying your data science project with Tableau, ensure you have Tableau desktop installed. Open Tableau desktop and sign in to your Tableau account. Click on the Connect pane to choose your data source. Select the type of data source you want to connect, such as Excel, SQL Server, or a text file. Load your dataset into Tableau by navigating to the appropriate file or database. Once your data is loaded, Tableau will automatically generate a data extract. Review and clean your data as necessary in the Data Source tab. Next, navigate to the Sheet tab to start creating your visualizations. Drag and drop dimensions and measures from your data onto the rows and columns shelves. Choose the type of visualization you want from the Show Me panel. Customize your charts by adjusting colors, labels, and tooltips to enhance readability. Use the dashboard option to create a coherent view of your visualizations together. Arrange your sheets on the dashboard as desired to tell a compelling story. Once you are satisfied with your dashboard, go to File and select Save As. Choose a destination for your Tableau packaged workbook, which will contain all your data and visualizations. If you wish to publish your dashboard online, click on Server in the top menu. Select Tableau Public or your Tableau server, depending on where you want to publish. Sign in to your Tableau account if prompted and follow the publishing instructions. Once published, you can share the dashboard link for easy access. Verify that your visualizations are correctly displayed on the online platform. Regularly update your data connections and dashboards as needed to keep your visualizations current. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.